right, I'm going to show you how to create your first client portal. So once you sign in, this is what it's going to look like. And you can connect your Asana, ClickUp, or Monday to create a client portal specifically for that client. This is where you've got overview, client portals, users, and account settings. And I'm going to just come over here and I'm going to create a new client portal. I'm going to name this. Now, this could be the name of your client. So I'm going to call this Window Washers Client. I'm going to select the platform that I want to connect. Now, this would be your project management system, and I'm going to use ClickUp for this example. Now I'm here where I need to set it up, and I'm going to connect with ClickUp. I'm going to do this demo space, and now we are connected and to the correct team, and now we can select the list that we want associated with this specific client portal. This is a demo account, so I'm going to pick this one right here. And then it's going to ask me which lists that I want according to this space here. And I'm going to say this one and this one. Now you can see the selected list up here. I'm going to turn off the import subtask because I don't want the client to see this. This is up to you and how you set up your account. And now we have everything set up. So when you click on domains, you have the ability to edit the domain name. Now it's going to automatically fill this in with the client name, but you're able to edit it. You could even have your name here too, if you wanted to have your name associated with it. You can go into appearance and change the font. You've got your ClickUp account associated here, so you can make changes. You can add additional lists. You can also remove it. And there is a request form that you can add here. So if you already have a process where a client asks for new things to be added, or if you're using a Monday, a ClickUp, or Asana form for them to request things, you can put that in here as well. This can also be feedback forms. You can hide it if you don't want it. If you're using Google Drive, you can connect to your Google Drive. That way, anytime that they upload files, it'll automatically get designated in the Google Drive folder. You can see we have the client portal here. You can go in and manage the portal. And this is your share link for your client. And you can see what they're able to see. You can have it in the list view or the board view. All right, that is everything for the basic setup for your client portal.